Welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you two different ways that we can fix damaged hinge locations for our cabinets. The first method is going to be my preferred method wherever possible, and the second one is going to be the easiest method, especially whenever you have areas that are completely damaged and blown out like we have here. Let's get straight into it. Let's do this. So if we have a close look at the issue here, once we drop our hinge in, our screws simply won't go in. No matter how much you try and spin on that one there, it doesn't bite. The easiest way to fix this is by using plugs. Now I have used in the past a whole range of different methods on another video that you guys can check out. I'll put the link in the description and also put it up on top. But this here is my absolute favorite. Just simple plastic nylon wall plugs. That's all you need. You simply drop that into the hole, take a hammer, tap that one there down, and then we take a little knife and we just cut this one here flush. So just using a nice sharp knife, cut it down as flush as you can with the base. And that one there is ready to go. The thing that I like about this is no matter the size of the hole, you can always go up in a size of the plug. So this one here could be a 7 or an 8 mil. That looks pretty good there. Once again, tap it down and cut this one here flush. Now this method works absolutely perfect. However, it won't work over here, and I'll show you what we're going to do on this side here. So now that we've got that one there done, we can take this, take our screws. You can hear there, that one's biting nicely. Same thing on the other side. Now we've got our hinge repaired on this side. Now on this larger side here, if we try to do the exact same method, there is no way this one here is going to hold. We've got no support whatsoever. Our plug will sit in there very, very loose, and it won't take long before that one there comes down. So the easiest way to do a repair on this side here, and I mean the easiest, we can do a whole range of different other repairs that I've shown you guys in another video. Once again, you can check them out. But if you get yourself one of these little kits right here, which is a hinge repair kit, it comes with a back and a front, meaning that we can repair our hinge side and we can also repair the mounting side as well. So what I like about these is they come in a range of different colors. You can get them in white, you can get them in chrome or satin. And what we're going to do is just simply cover that whole area. They also come with some color coded screws, which we've got right here. So these ones here, we'll take 4 of those, and they're going to just simply sit on the outside. If you're not sure where to line this one up exactly, easy way to do it, we take our hinge, drop that one there straight on top. We'll take our old screws and we're going to attach these ones here on first. Do the same thing on the other side. And what I like about these plates is they're made out of metal, so that means these screws here will never strip out. It's a perfect long-term solution. We can now drop this plate straight into place. We take our color-coded screws, now that we know exactly where this is going to go, and drill these ones here in. And once that's done, we've got another repaired hinge. So these are two easy methods. We'll quickly reinstall these doors and I'll show you what it looks like once it's installed on your cabinet. So now we can take our repaired door, slide these ones here back in, clip everything back in, and that there is how to fix it. Nice and simple, whether you use the top method wherever available. That's my preferred method because it's nice, concealed, no one will ever know. This bottom one here, although it is exposed, this is a good permanent, easy and cheap solution. I'll put the links in the description. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.